In this video, I'll show you how to use desktop frame in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Navigate to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Type desktop frame in the search bar and switch to the Frames category. Browse the options and click your chosen desktop frame to add it to the page. Resize and reposition the frame to fit your design. Next, upload or select an image from your files. Drag and drop the image directly into the frame. Double-click the image inside the frame to adjust its size, position for the perfect fit. In addition to images, we can also drag and drop videos into the frame. That's it. Thanks for watching.